Hello everyone, my name is Naim, and today I want to discuss whether it is better to leave the choice of using SNS entirely to students or to discourage teenagers from using too much SNS. In my opinion, I believe that using too much time on SNS can be harmful. I have two reasons for having this. First of all, we can destroy our human rights. Rumors can spread fast. People believe the rumors without questions.
Okay.
For example, entertainers are first from rumors when they read news. Some might even choose to kill. Some people might say it only applies to celebrities. And it doesn't include the general public. But we can see it happening in school. Today, students talk behind others' back in SNS. Many students can target a certain individual emotionally, harassing that person to the point of death. I'm sure that using SNS disturbs studying. When students use SNS, they can't stop using. If they are connecting to their friends, they should keep connecting to stay intimacy. For this reason, I believe that students should not spend too much time using SNS. Thank you.
Thank you.